Hello, welcome back to Bachman's Garage. Finally got a motor. Out here is a Vortec 350. It's an 880 block casting with a good old 906 Vortec heads. So as you can see, I've got it all down. It's about ready to go to the machine shop. I'm gonna get it all hot tanked. I don't need to go 30 over, but I do need to get the crank turned. So that's just a little update for you. We will be porting the heads, port matching everything, you know, increasing the size of the intake and exhaust runners there. But yep, making progress. So a friend of mine and I pulled this engine out of a local picker on parts yard, and it came out of a 1997 Yukon. By the crank, it looks to be pretty high miles, but we should just be able to use a flat stone and dingle ball hone and get it in a good enough shape to go in the car. So I called my local machine shop this morning, and they said that there was a space ready and I could bring my engine in. Well, the only trouble with that is I'm home alone and don't have an engine hoist around here, and I could probably pick up a short block, but I just don't want to. It's a Monday and I feel like something bad would happen. So I'll figure something out. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. I'm actually OSHA certified, so I get to do whatever I want. That still went better than expected. That's not going anywhere. That's fine. You know, you ride with some people and they've got, you know, a bunch of Walmart cups and, you know, empty pizza boxes laying around their floorboards. I mean, I don't do none of that. I just have some Vortec heads.